Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Lowland Workshop. As you may have noticed, I already lost my microphone. Yeah, second video on this platform, on YouTube. Already lost my goddamn microphone. I cannot find it anywhere. So, it is a little bit messy, as you can see. Very messy. Because much has changed. So all of this was outside. I'll show you. I still have proof. What's gonna happen is tomorrow. So for all this, concrete is coming. Yeah, I'm stressing a little bit. Inside, it's 20 degrees, 71% humidity. I bought a ventilator that's down there somewhere. You can see it there because it's humid and hot. And in the winter, it's humid and cold. So, oh damn. Okay, so the container is there. See, there's the container. We emptied 3 things, and so you can see they're still there. There's a little bit, there was a thing. So now I'm gonna pause the video real quick and be right back. Alright, so he's gonna get the container out of here. We've done quite some bit of work. It's been hot, 25, 30 degrees all week round. We are Wednesday today. I started on Monday, I think. Yeah, I started on Monday. I wasn't here this weekend. So yeah, it's been quite some 3 heavy days, and the worst is coming tomorrow, because tomorrow pouring concrete in my garage. I'm gonna redo the lighting as well, but not now. This is some of the remnants of this thing. He hooked it up, and there goes my beautiful little container. It is beautiful. There goes the grass as well, but nobody cares. Sorry, I got something on my... So yeah, there it goes. There goes the container. Beautiful. I'm gonna have to make this someday, because it doesn't look like anything right now. Damn it. It's stuck somewhere. Come on. Don't push me. Me. I'm really struggling with one hand. Holy crap, bro. God damn it, bro. Why is everything with one hand so... There's only one thing easy with one hand. I'm not gonna say what it is. I'm gonna crash out in like 2 minutes. I'm gonna drop my phone, do this with 2 hands. Believe me or not, I got it. So yeah, the container is gone. I'm not consistent. I don't really have a script. I'm more of improvising these little videos. So what's happening is, I talk about something, I see something else, my mind pops. I talk about that other thing, and I forgot what I was talking about just 2 seconds ago. So I'll try to do this in order. I need to put a wooden beam right there. So when we pour the concrete doesn't just go into the yard. Second thing, I need, like I said, fix that thing, fill over there, because I don't want my plastic from tearing with the weight of the concrete going under there. So I'm just gonna do with some quickcrete, they call it in America. It's just snelbeton in Belgium. It's a Flemish word, or in French it's béton rapide. So yeah, that's gonna be filled. Third thing, put my, I don't even know how you call this in English. Those are 2 concrete slabs. That is not weaponed or with the metal things. This one is. So they're gonna move very differently, and when I broke the garage, there was a crack going all there, and in the middle right here. This is why this one has metal in it, and that one was pretty stable, so I just put some leveling concrete. That's why that is not broken, this is. And I'm putting that thing. I will have around 5 or 6 millimeters. It will be able to move independently. So that one will move how it moves since 40 plus years, maybe 50. And this one will move in another way, and it will be able to compress and expand however it wants to. I hope, and I'll need your prayers and wishing good lucks, that the concrete truck can go in between this. Hopefully my opening is wide enough. I have no clue if it will work or not. I will be filming the concrete pour. It will be tomorrow at 9 AM. And if the truck doesn't go there, I have a big problem, because the dude on the phone said, yeah, if the truck cannot pass or can access your garage, then he said you will have to do it with wheelbarrows. There's still a lot of things planned. I'm planning on putting AC inverter on here so I can cool in the summer and heat in the winter and dry the space at the same time. After that, I will do the lights. I'm gonna buy like the hexagonal lights. Alright guys, welcome back. I know I don't have my pants, I don't have my working boots. Okay. Honestly, today is okay. Don't look at my butt, it's mine. Here you will see me glue the cork that works as a compression joint. There is about 6 millimeters of it. The glue has no structural properties whatsoever. Its sole purpose is to hold it in place because cork is really brittle. The point of having a compression joint is so that the two concrete slabs can move independently. Why would I want that, you may ask? Because one slab has metal reinforcement in it and will have 15 centimeters of concrete, while the other slab only has 5 centimeters of concrete and no metal. So they are going to react differently when faced with changing weather. I like to say Belgium, hoppakee! Well, the Flemish sound. Now I want you to take a close look at this ordinary clown, alright? Now look at this clown and try to find the difference, because what he's about to say next is going to show you how such an innocent claim with such confidence is gonna give him a reality check tomorrow. About 3.6 cubic meters, while now I ordered 4, so I have a little more in case I need more. I have today. If you haven't noticed yet, I really do love my keyboard. Don't do like me. Where did you be? Ooh, nice. That's nice. And here is your lazy ass YouTuber. You see, I put this as reinforcement so the concrete wouldn't flow out. So basically there's this little thing, and I cannot put my boards closer to the ground because of that. My plastic will come here, nice and heavy. What I'm scared of is the concrete will just push through this and just break it. Into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe. Anyways, see ya. Tu mettais là dehors, tu mettais ça?
À droite. Mais le problème, c'est que la scène est dégueulasse. Tu peux revenir avec de la terre. Et ça, en béton, c'est pas une bonne idée.
Donc moi, je vais le pour moi.
Ben oui, tu vois que ça sert.
Ah ouais. Comme
Là, à droite. Et tu as la
caloche.
la caloche, hein.
La caloche pour faire ça.
Mais tu fais les deux en même temps, hein. Tu vas commencer 3 fois, tu vas nous ouvrir des trous.
Mais oui, mais le gars, c'est ce qu'il disait. Il remarche dedans et il veut du sortir.
Oui. Ah bon, bon.
Je pense aussi.
Et toi, tu sais ce que c'est que de marcher en revenu.
Ça va. C'est pas ça le compliqué.
Tu colle bien.
C'est tout le reste.
Ah, ça.
So you guys may remember this clown. Let's re-listen to what he said.
About 3.6 cubic meters. While now I ordered 4. So I have a little more in case I need more. Ça fait beaucoup de béton à évacuer. Hein? Ça fait beaucoup de béton à enlever ça.
Ah ouais, ça.
Ça sort beaucoup de crème.
Alright. That was the last pass. Whew. I'm dying. It's hot outside. And we just poured 3.5 cubic meters of concrete. This is what I look like. So yeah, I think my ass is full of concrete. Anyways, luckily I had my granddad and my brother-in-law to help me. Shout out to you guys for helping me. My hands are burning, so it looks like from the inside. Well, from the outside, I guess. So yeah, since I don't have a machine like a propeller or whatever it's called to do this properly, I will be hiring a machine to just surface it properly. Look at this. This is what I call me being fucking stupid. Why? Because I'm a woodworker and not a concrete pourer. Some mistakes were made. So what we do in woodworking is we calculate the total thing. So what I did was 6 meters on 3 multiplied by 15 because I needed 15 centimeters everywhere. Instead of doing a moyenne, so basically you take different depths, you take that total, you divide it by the times you did it, and then you have a general idea of the full volume that you need. So I had like easily 1 cubic meter too much that we had to take out, which was very heavy, but it is done. It looks pretty nice. There's some irregularities, but it's like a few millimeters. Like I had my reference with the wood, which worked awesome. And then sometimes I have to say my woodworker eye was pretty accurate, so that was a good thing as well. My hands are burning. You have no idea. Big respect for people that do this daily, because this is no easy task. Here I am, 23-year-old naive woodworker, thinking he can pour concrete almost alone. Luckily, I wasn't alone. On the end, I was kind of rushing. You can see there are far more strokes here than on the back, because here the concrete was setting, so it was really hard. I couldn't. In the back, there's like 2 or 3 strokes on the whole length. Here there's so many because I was kind of stressing out. I will be surfacing it, and after that I will be putting anthracite color on the whole floor. You won't see all the depths. That's gonna be a few projects gonna be made here. Firstly, working on the Yara. It's stupid for the excess concrete. I could have ordered, I think, 3,2. It would have been enough. Bear in mind that this is my absolute first time pouring concrete. Luckily, I have my grandpa that has poured some concrete in his life, so luckily he was there. But now it is a gaming time. Pretty happy. I have to make a little ramp, change the doors. That's the next step, and after that, we're all ready to continue this journey on the Lowland workshop. And honestly, I cannot wait. But I have to. Pouring is the easy part. Well, kinda. The hard part is gonna be to actually wait till it dries out. I think it's 28 days. So in 2 days or 3 we can step on it, but it's only really 28 days until the concrete is really dry to the core. And then we'll cut all the plastic. I hope it really comes flush with my other slab. So for any 20 to 25-ish year old or any age group you are, if you want to pour concrete for the first time, make sure your quantity is correct. It's usually better to have a little more than to have less, but not that much more. And secondly, have people help you. I honestly thought I could handle this alone for a week, and then when we were pouring it and I saw the big pile of concrete, I was like, no way I could have done this alone. Please ask help. Thirdly, I thought a drilling thing, so you basically have to drill the concrete so there are no air bubbles. I thought it wasn't necessary. It isn't really necessary, but it's better. It's really better. Just go hire one. It's 60 euros in Belgium at least. Really take it, or buy one second hand, or go buy one in the store and resell it. There's a lot of options. Preparation is key. Luckily, I prepared it pretty well. I'm pretty surprised on that. Once that is all done, we'll see in a week or a month how it turned out, if I did a great job or not. Right now I'm gonna wash my hands, eat a bit, because it's 12:12, so I'm hungry right now. I'm gonna drink a lot of water. It's hot. If I have any tips left, I'll put them in the description. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Lowland Workshop out.